Hello students, in this video I shall explain about fraction. What is fraction? I shall explain here. There is definition of fraction. The value that is in form of numerator and denominator is called fraction. Examples: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 4, etc. are the examples of fraction. Because here 1 by 2 has numerator 1 and denominator 2. 2 by 3, which is fraction, has numerator 2 and denominator 3. 5 by 4 is also fraction, which has numerator 5 and denominator 4. Upper value of fraction is called numerator and lower portion of fraction is called denominator. In these examples, 1, here 2, here 5 are numerators and 2, 3 and 4 lower value are denominator. Okay, again I make you understand. In 1 by 2, 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. In 2 by 3, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. In 5 by 4, 5 is numerator, 4 is denominator. And all are fractions because they have numerator and denominator both. And now let us know about like fraction. What is like fraction? You have to know. The fraction in which denominators are same is called like fraction. The fraction in which denominators are same is called like fraction. I mean, in like fractions, denominators are same. Here you are seeing in 1 by 2, denominator is 2. In 3 by 2, denominator is also 2. In 5 by 2, denominator is also 2. In these three examples, there are only denominator 2. So these examples are of like fraction. And now let us know unlike fraction. The fraction in which denominators are not same is called unlike fraction. Examples here: 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 5, etc. are the examples of unlike fraction. Here you see 3 in 2 by 3, denominator is 3. In 4 by 7, denominator is 7. In 11 by 5, denominator is 5. In all these three examples, denominator are different. So these are the examples of unlike fraction. And now let us know about proper fraction. Okay, the fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is lower than denominator. Numerator is lower than denominator. Here you are seeing numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Here 1 is smaller than 2. Here in this 2 by 3, 2 is smaller than 3. And here in this example 7 by 9, numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. And 7 is smaller than 9 means numerator is smaller than denominator. So these are the examples of proper fraction. And now improper fraction. Okay, the fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Examples: 5 by 4, 10 by 3, 7 by 2, etc. are the examples of improper fraction. Why? Because in 5 by 4, numerator is 5 and 5 is greater than 4. In 10 by 3, 10 is numerator and 10 is greater than 3. In 7 by 2, 7 is numerator and 7 is greater than 2. Here you are seeing that numerators are greater than denominators. So these three examples are of these three examples of improper fraction. And now let us know mixed fraction. Okay, the fraction in which one is whole number and other is proper fraction. Example, 2 upon 1 by 3, 4 upon 3 by 5. These two examples of mixed fraction. Why? Because in 2 upon 1 by 3, 2 is whole number and 1 by 2 is fraction. Here 4 is whole number and 3 by 5 is fraction. Okay. Now these two are examples of mixed fraction. Now let us know how we convert improper fraction in mixed fraction and how we convert mixed fraction in improper fraction. And one thing I shall tell you more. In mixed fraction, whole number is also called integral part. Whole number is called integral part and fraction part is called fractional part. Here, in 2 upon 1 by 3, 2 is integral part and 1 by 3 is fractional part. 4 in example of 4 upon 3 by 5, 4 is integral part and 3 by 5 is fractional part. And now here I wrote how to change improper fraction in mixed fraction. Here there is a question. How to change improper fraction in mixed fraction? Example. Example 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is improper fraction. Now you have to learn how we change improper fraction in mixed fraction. Here we have to divide numerator by denominator. Okay, we have to divide numerator by denominator. 5 is numerator and 4 is denominator. 4 1 4. When we subtract 4 from 5, then remainder will come 1. Okay. Here 1 is quotient and quotient will be here and here 1 is remainder and remainder will be in place of numerator. Quotient will be in place of whole number, remainder will be in place of numerator and divisor will be in place of denominator. Again I say quotient will be in place of whole number, remainder will be in place of numerator and divisor will be in place of denominator. Okay, this way this way I change improper fraction in mixed fraction. And now I make you understand how we change mixed fraction in improper fraction. Mixed and here improper. Example 2/1/2 is mixed fraction. Okay, how to change mixed fraction in improper fraction? Example 2/1/4 is mixed fraction. 2/1/4. And now we have to change it in improper fraction. First of all, I shall multiply whole number by denominator. Whole number is 2 and denominator is 4. First, I shall multiply whole number by denominator. Result will be 8. Result will be 8. And then I shall add in 8. I shall add in 8 numerator. Then numerator will be added in 8. What is numerator here? Here numerator is 1. 1 will be added in 8. Then there will be 9. There are two results, 8 and 9. Second result will be in place of numerator, and first result second result will be in place of numerator, and denominator of mixed fraction will not be changed. Here 4 will be the same. 4 will not be changed. Okay, again I make you understand. First of all, whole number will be divided by numerator. Here I am multiplying 2/4. Then result is coming in form of 8, and then I added 1 and numerator in 8. Then result came 9, and 9 I put 9 in place of numerator, and denominator and divisor denominator was not changed in same in mixed fraction and in improper fraction. In both fraction 4 was not changed. This is the example of improper fraction. Here I change mixed fraction in improper fraction. First I change improper fraction in mixed fraction, then I change mixed fraction in improper fraction. I think everything you would have known, you would have understood, and if you have no doubt, then you like, share and subscribe. Okay? It's all right. Bye.